In a dream right now, I feel the heat right now. Yeah, I'm fit to scream right now. I ain't ever been inside a place like this right now. It's like I'm inside out. Yeah, I feel my eyes bulge out. I hear the monsters shout, and I like it 'cause I finally get to be myself. It's like a gravitational push on the grind for the kush. Like a fire in the bush, I burn 10 feet tall to the sky and I'm ready to cook. I'm on a mission for the greatest. I write bars with the cadence. This pen is like a claw and I can't stop it from tearing the pages. This is one for the ages. Pan was a sadist, but his crime never betrayed us. And now I'm levitating like I'm weightless. And all the lost boys are currently hating, debating whether or not I can be stopped to be tamed and put in cages. But I'm gonna drag them all down like Satan.
Stay down below in your negative high-rise. Find the answer behind your own eyes. Whoop, 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 it's all a surprise. Back it up sideways, it's time to revise. Open skies, open mind. Remember, open skies and open mind. Always look to the future, leave it all behind. I say welcome to Never Never Land.